Hey everyone, this is Natalie with Captain Platen Kit, and this week we're going to be decorating a polyester and nylon 5-panel hat with a reflective coating on it using heat transfer vinyl and the Captain Platen Kit for heat press. And if you want to print this hat out for yourself with your kit, go ahead and check the description below to learn more about this project. So without further ado, let's get started. To start, we're just cutting out our artwork using our GCC Expert 2 vinyl cutter and plotter and using the computer software program that comes with the vinyl cutter to cut out our artwork. And now that our artwork is all plotted and cut out, we are going to weed the design very carefully using a weeding tool. To prepare our heat press, we're just going to remove that standard base and replace it with the heat press adapter. Just want to lock it in place so that it stays put. To load the hat onto the Captain Platen for heat press, we're just going to slide that bill right underneath the front bar and tuck under any tags and sweatbands underneath the top plate, and then make sure that we pull all of the hat panels back as flat as possible and align the bill with the edges of the platen. And sometimes nylon and polyester has troublesome puckers in it because of the way that it gets sewn, which is what we had an issue with right here, as you can see, but you don't have to worry about that because this is being heat pressed, so it's okay if it isn't lying perfectly flat, because once you apply that transfer, it's going to flatten everything out like an iron. And next we're just going to put that heat transfer vinyl right in the intended placement and press it underneath the heat press. The settings that we used are 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. And once that's done, we're going to let it cool for a few seconds before peeling that film off, and then our hat is done. Alright friends, thanks for watching, and remember, if you want to try out this project for yourself, go ahead and head to the description below. You can get a link breaking down this entire project, and if you want to see more of what our kits can do, go ahead and follow us over on Instagram at Captain Platen Kit, and if you haven't yet, sign up for our newsletter as well to stay up to date, and we'll also send you a little special discount code as well. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. We've got more content coming at you every week, and we'll see you next time.